Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. I just showed you those 3 white oak logs I have to do. I have another one right over there. But we're going to do this. This is for the neighbor. He's a woodworker as well, and he wants some inch and a half 6/4 boards. So that's what we're going to give him. They're not big logs, so we're going to be just plain sawing them, and he knows that. But we've been cleaning up the last few days around here. Got all the crumbs off the ground. We've had a perpetual fire going for 3 days now over the weekend. Just cleaning up. Well, I still have some junk back there, but just the wood yard was getting really rough. It was piles and piles of stuff laying around, and out here where I cut my firewood, so I moved the bucking table, and I feel a lot better about it. It just gets away from you. So we spent 3 days cleaning this thing and just having a perpetual fire. But we're going to get this log loaded up and get the mill fired up. We have a sharpened stellite band on there that has, I think, 3 logs on it now. So we should be in good shape for these last 4 little white oaks. So let's look at some specs on this log. 10 inches. Small end. Oh, let's lift this side up. You know what? No, I'm going to leave that just like that because it's got that big flare. 12 and a half. Okay, so we're about the same height here. So we'll just deal with that. So he looks like he's going to get 1 by 7s. I'm sorry, 6/4 by 7s. He's only going to get a few of them out of each log. How long was this? 10 foot? Oh, it's longer than that, isn't it? And I'll have to put a bunk under this too. Once I flip it. How long is it? It looks like it's almost 12 foot. Might be 12 foot. Yep, 12 foot. So we're going to flip it over now and come the other direction. Then we'll put that bunk back on. That went really well. We ended up with 5 quarters. I'll show you at the end. Ooh, just caught that buck. Let's take a look, guys. It's a small one. In fact, it's a top. 10. Do we get maybe a 7-inch camp? Yeah, it's 10. Little oval though. I'm going in for lunch right now. There's an epic chess battle happening right now on TV. Magnus Carlsen against Hikaru Nakamura, the #1 and #2 player in the world. It's a classic form of chess. I think they both have 2-hour time limit, but I'm going to go watch some of it. If nothing else, I'll watch it tomorrow, but I'm going to go eat lunch. I'll be out to finish these next 2 in just a few minutes. It's an interesting chess match. Big or small, we're gonna mill them all. Let's see how big it is. 10. 6.5 feet. 9.5. Tell me I left that there. I caught it just in the nick of time. What was that? Boy, did I luck out, guys. I did see a little crack in this the other day, and I was hoping I could get another log out of it, but I have another belt. So we're gonna put that on. Too bad I couldn't have waited for one more cut. That's all I have left on all 4 of these. If we don't make it, this battery's almost dead. I have the other camera going, so we'll make it. Just might have to use the other camera. So let's give them a view of this wood. I don't know why that turned off. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 2x6s, you know, 1.5 inches by whatever they are. 6 and 7, and 4 of these little ones here. A little waning on them, but What Bryce makes, this is for my neighbor Bryce. He builds these Windsor chairs, and they're actually beautiful. If I think of it, I'll get a picture of them. But that's what he's using this stock for. So, guys, that went really well. The belt broke, but boy, did we luck out with that band, didn't we? So we're gonna get the mill cleaned up. I'll get these over to my neighbors, and that'll do it for today, guys. The setworks work great. That Frontier sawmill, I'm so pleased with that. If you're on the fence about a homeowner's mill like a Frontier Woodland Mills, grab it, man. It's this is my 5th year. I'm on year 5. It'll be 5 years in October. I've never had any problem with the motor. You know, there's nothing you can't fix on it. It's super simple. So, okay, guys, take care. See you at the mill next time. Like, comment, and subscribe.